Welcome to How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this binatone Wi-Fi hotspot dongle, that how we can easily reset if we forgot the Wi-Fi password of this dongle, or it's not working, or you are not able to connect, or don't know the admin password, or anything, or any problem you are getting. Then how you can reset this dongle. Its model number is Vi999M. Now this is Vi mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, and you don't have to switch it off. First of all, keep it should be on working condition, and after that you have to open this latch from over here, and after that you will see an option over here that is showing reset. If you check out inside of this, I can show you, there is an option RE over there, and this is the button to reset this device, as you can check out. Now I am going to just press this button using a needle, any pen, or any kind of thing, and when you press and hold this button, you can listen this tactile button too. Press and hold it for a few seconds, and it will switch off and restart automatically in few seconds. I think its battery is switched off. We have to press and hold this over here. 1 second. Over here, this point, and as you can check out, it starting again. That means this device is reset, and now the password of this device you will find when you remove this battery, and over there you will find the username, Wi-Fi name, and password over there, and that's it. That's the process how you can easily reset this device. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.